Hello everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Tuesday weather video. Boy, we've got a lot to talk about today because we're into the big transition away from the humid northerlies into the more typical autumn westerlies. So let me show you exactly what's going on. Check out the satellite map. You can clearly see this front zooming in from towards Australia. This is the one that's got the big wall of westerlies behind it. In fact, you can kind of see it's got this V shape to it. It's basically like it's coming through and punching New Zealand as a big strong westerly. And you can kind of see what I mean. Here it is as we go through to Wednesday. This is the front that divides the subtropical weather we've had for 11 days around northern New Zealand and many other parts, switching to the westerlies behind it, and that's the change. A lot of showers in there, a lot of rain coming in for the west coast of the South Island in particular, but a lot of dry weather yet to come for the north and the east of both islands. So this is still a concerning weather pattern for those who need rain, particularly as we head into the middle of this month. I mean, we're in the middle of May now. So as we head towards Thursday, it's crazy. Warm temperatures, I mean high temperatures, 25 degrees possible in some of these eastern areas as a result of these very strong westerly winds coming through. Look at all this rain falling on the west coast, heavy downpours there. It's not the subtropical stuff we were seeing where it's really torrential. This is just your typical normal heavy rain that you get on the west coast. And then you go north of Nelson and it's pretty much dry. We might have some showers coming in here and there, but it's a showery pattern for you with higher pressure up here dominating the upper North Island to some degree. It's sort of keeping a lid a little bit on these stormy sort of showers that are coming out of the Southern Ocean. And we end on Friday with not a great change. A lot of westerlies blowing through, still strong, maybe gale in some exposed areas, particularly around the mountains and Cook Strait. The rain continues on the west coast. The mostly dry weather with high cloud continues on the east coast, and the North Island stays kind of separated from this with a general west to northwest flow, which is very warm for these eastern areas, mainly dry. Might be a couple of downpours in these dry western areas, so that's some good news. It's drying out now in the north here. So we'll keep a close eye on what's going on. There's a lot to talk about over the next few days, and don't forget, for the 10-day, 10-minute forecast, go to Sky Channel 081. You can watch me here at Country TV.